with a quick video. Time to replace my windshield wipers because they are doing something weird. Dry, old, streaky. Don't like it. Let's fix that. We got the Bosch OEM replacement because we need some good quality. All right, steer was straight. All right, to gain access to the windshield wipers, we need to put them in service mode. To do that, you hold 1, 2, release. Boom. All right, now we can access them because before they were down up under the hood and you couldn't get to them. So let's take it back outside and pop these bad boys off. All right, Bosch. These are the one you need to go to the BMW dealership. They would be replacing the windshield wipers with this same brand. Ain't no point in getting your windshield wipers at less quality than the ones they're already on. Alright, so should be a little thingamabobber right here. You just pull it off. Maybe. Possibly. Alright, so we can do that. And should be. Look, I haven't replaced the windshield wiper on the car myself in years. Probably college. Had to be college. Hey, nope. You know what?
Blades are held in with.
You two for the win. Alright, so it's a little clip. A little button right here. You push that in and then you have to kind of willow it out. It wasn't hard at all. It's hard if you don't know what to do. Alright, we'll try that again on the other. So it's a button here. You push that and then you have to kind of, this whole cartridge slides out. So lift that up. So it's a little service. Maybe trying to do this with one hand is not the easiest. So you push that in. Make sure you push that in and kind of. Okay. Doing this with one hand is not the business. Push that. Push. Nope. All right. Doing that with one hand is just not working for me. So we're going switch cameras. Hand, bumper, button, push. All right, then kind of work it out. You know what? I will not be defeated by a windshield wiper. I'm being defeated by a windshield wiper. Alright. So, come on, man. Okay. Got it off. Thought I was gonna break it. Thing was on there hard. Well, no telling how long this thing been on here. Yeah, Jesus. Okay, those are the things. Alright. Jesus. Alright, back to it. Putting on the new windshield wipers. One thing to keep in mind is the long goes on the driver's side, because if you put the long one on the passenger side wiper, it will be too long and be hitting the top of the car, which we do not want. So we're going to ensure that we put this one in the right spot. Do you like my announcer voice? Yeah, I'm gonna be. This windshield wiper is gonna make me come out my character. I need this to go on before I get mad. That's the only people. So there we go. Alright, so it just slid in there. Snapped. Satisfied. Boom. Alright. Boom. One down. Time to install the passenger side blade. We just got the first one on. Boom. All right. To get this on, you just slide the cartridge into here. And once you do it right, you'll get a satisfying click. Once again, doing this, we should have done this first, but doing this with one hand is a pain. All right, boom, it's in there. Boom, get that, click. Satisfied. All right, boom, boom. Windshield wipers, done, check. All right. All right, got the windshield wipers on. Now, we can go back to running irons, which I have to do. But as you see, it's wet out. So that's why I have to replace the wipers. They've been sitting on the shelf about a month. So I suppose, I just had to do it. All right, back to it. So first test of the windshield wipers.